Okay class, so today we are going to start with our first topic, that is plant. So first we will go for the definition of a plant. What is a plant? For first, a living organism that typically grows in a permanent site. That means a living organism that grows only in one place, absorbing water and inorganic substances like nitrogen, sodium, phosphorus, etc. through its roots. Now, that plant is a living organism that stays in a particular one place, and then again it absorbs water and inorganic substances like nitrogen, sodium, phosphorus, etc. through its roots, and synthesizing nutrients in its leaves by photosynthesis using the green pigment called chlorophyll. As we all know that chlorophyll is a green pigment which is found in the leaves of a plant, and that's why leaves are also green. And this particular pigment helps in synthesizing the plant's food, that is the glucose for mainly, which is a carbohydrate. So plant make their food by using the green pigment which is known as chlorophyll. Okay class, so now we are going to start parts of plant. So if we look in the figure that is given here in the picture, we can see that under the soil the first organ that we can see is our root system. So from the root system we can see that there are many roots. The thick ones are known as primary and the thin ones are known as secondary roots. And then if we go above them, then we can see stem, we can see leaves, we can see birds, then we can see flower at the top. So this whole things constitute a plant. Okay class, so now we are going to start with our first plant part, that is roots. So what are roots? These are the organs of plants that typically lie below the surface of soil, and you are going to find these organs only inside the soil. Okay class, so now the next thing that we are going to discuss here about the functions of the roots. So the first function of the root, as we can see in the picture, is the absorption of water and inorganic nutrients. So water is mainly absorbed by the root along with the inorganic nutrients present in the soil, and then it is being transported through the roots to the stems and then to the leaves. Okay class, so the next point is anchoring of the plant body to the ground and supporting it. That means the roots of a plant who stay inside of the soil, they support the whole plant and anchor them and support them in such a way that they stand upright and hold the whole body of the plant above. That's all for today's class. Thank you class.